Hey guys, Coral here. So this course we are going to be diving deep into all things hoop making. So a lot of hoopers enjoy making their own hoops as well. So we're going to go over some beginner hoop making stuff as well as some more technical stuff. So if you've never made your own hoop before, we're going to go over the basics like making a basic polypro hoop as well as taping a simple hoop. If you have had a bit of experience and you want to know some more advanced stuff, we'll be going over that too. So we'll be covering things like making perfect connections, how to measure your hoop out correctly, some taping tips, so how we can get those nice seamless tape jobs with minimal creases or no bubbles at all. We will also be covering different types of tubing and sizes and widths. So, there's so many to choose from between HDP, polypro, as well as all the different widths and thicknesses. So we'll be diving deep into that as well. So I hope you enjoy this hoop making course and I'll see you in the next video.